We are back with another video on Cooking with Mimi, and today I'm extra excited because we are going back to my roots. Yes, you heard it right. We're going back to my roots. We're going back to Haiti, and I'm going to show you how I make griot using an Instant Pot. Alright guys, so here I have about 3 pounds of pork cubed up and clean, of course. Now I have my ippies. I'm going to add, oh look at that. And I have the recipe of that on Cooking with Mimi. Going to add a few tablespoons of that. So cooking Haitian food is about feel. So whenever I feel, you know, comfortable with what I'm adding, I'll stop, you know. About this is about 3.5 tablespoons of ippies. That felt right. Then I have a juice of a lime, some acidity. Then I'm going to add the pork bouillon, 1 pork bouillon cube. Struggling guys to get it out. You just want to crumble that in there. Perfect. Some Madame Gugu's total seasoning. You could use any total seasoning of your liking. I actually have a little bit left, so I'm going to use the rest of this. Next, some Larry's seasoning salt. About a tablespoon of that. Sazonador total seasoning. This thing gives good flavor, guys. Then I'm going to add Goya adobo. Tablespoon of that. And Madame Gugu's seasoning salt. Teaspoon of that. And a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. It adds great flavor. That was about 4 dashes. Next, I'm going to add a sprig of thyme, a few sprigs of thyme. I have a handful of parsley and a handful of cilantro. And here, of course, I have a Scotch bonnet pepper. You gotta have the Scotch bonnet pepper. Next, I have 1 large onion sliced up. Throw that in there. 2 tomatoes cut up. Boom. And 1 green bell pepper sliced up. And this is all for flavor. Now I'm going to go in and give this a good mix. You want to mix everything in. Alright guys, last but not least, we are going to add about 3 cups of water. Perfect. Alright guys, now I'm going to turn this on. So it's already on pressure cook. That's exactly where I want it. The pressure is already on high. You can switch it over here to here. Push, switch the high to low. But everything is exactly where I want it. And then now I'm gonna start it. Alright guys, see you when it's done. Okay guys, now I pulled out my pork and look at that, it's super good. I've been tasting it. And now I'm going to fry it, okay? Alright guys, so I have my oil here in the skillet at about 350 degrees, and now I'm going to take a spoonful of my pork. Look at that. My griot. And just drop it in there. Oh. I love that sound. So basically you just want to fry it until it's golden brown, till it gets that nice color, which can take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. You just have to keep an eye on it. Right now I have my heat on low because you don't want to burn it or burn it right away. The heat is on too high. I want to gently give it a stir. And guys, you have to be very gentle with it because that Instant Pot cooked it super tender, so it can easily fall apart. So you want to be gentle. Alright guys, so it's nice and golden brown. I'm going to start taking it out. Ooh, look at that. Last batch in. Give that another 5 minutes. Alright guys, second batch done. Looking better than ever. Look at that. Ooh. I remember when my mom used to make this, and you know, walking in the kitchen, grabbing a piece, you know, before it even gets served. You just couldn't help it. You just could not help it. It's so good. So now I'm going to plate it, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that. So this is of course the griot, and of course you have to have it with some pickles, some bun and pizza, fried plantains, and dioli collé. rice and beans, of course. But look at that, guys. Alright guys, there you have it. I showed you guys how to make griot using an Instant Pot. These came out beautiful. Can't wait to dig in. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you want me to make next down in the comments below. See you next time on Cooking with Mimi.